Alright guys, gonna do a review about the antenna, MastsRus 6-inch, if I'm correct, like a 3/4 or something. So to how to replace it on a 3rd gen 4runner. First, gotta take this knob out. Mine I can use by hand, or you gotta use a flathead to take out this little knobber out. So take it out, unscrews it. Then your little black piece here also comes out too. Turn all your car on. Antenna's gonna shoot out. After shoot out, grab it. But guess what? I've just found out. You really don't need to install this antenna. Your radio is still work. Turn on to my radio. Hold on. Oops. Radio to 105. Wait. 205. Sorry. Radio still work without the antenna. So this little 6-inch and 3/4 antenna is just to make it look, my opinion, make it look nice. So to install, unscrew that part right here. Oops. Put your little cap. Put your cap on top of it. Just put a little cap on it. You're not even gonna use your old antenna at all. And then screws it on. Make sure this is tight. Lift it up, make sure that doesn't come out. That's it, just to install. Thank you for watching.